Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to put secret message link in Facebook profile. It's like a tutorial. So let's get started. Open any browser on your device, then on search bar, for example on Google, you should write the secret message, then go to search. And here you will see first link, just open it. Alright. Now you should enter here your name. For example, I write test and tap on create your link here. Then here is your link. Here it's your link. You just tap on click to copy. You copy this link and you should write somewhere your user ID and your PIN. When you want to check your secret message, you should go to this secret m.me, then enter your user ID and your PIN, and you can check your secret messages. Alright, when you copied your secret link, we just go to Facebook. We open up Facebook app. Then if you use Android device, tap on 3 lines at the top right corner. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on 3 lines at the bottom right corner. From now, any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. We just tap on see your profile, then tap on edit profile. Scroll down and you will see links. Near links says add. If you have some links, you just tap on edit. Alright, next step, as you can see here, websites, and we should select public. This means everyone can write and check your website. Okay, now just tap on add website, enter this secret link. We just copied it from this secret.me, and then tap on save at the top right corner. Alright, as you can see, here is this link. If someone tap on link from your profile, we just go back and reload Facebook page. Here, as you can see, secret link. If someone tap on this link and write to you something, you received this message on secret messages. And if you want to check your messages, you just go to secret m.me, then use your user ID and your PIN, and you can check all your secret messages. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.